In a small building at the end of the Scripps Pier, researchers take daily measurements of ocean temperatures. Melissa Torres is an aquarist with Scripps Institution of Oceanography.
1895 is what the surface is holding at. It's warm. That's warm? Yesterday was 1797, but yes, usually we're reading, we'd like to see around 16.
16 degrees Celsius is 61 degrees Fahrenheit. She says that's the average ocean surface temperature off the La Jolla coast. But for months, temperatures all along the west coast have risen 3 to 4 degrees Fahrenheit above normal. They've also been warmer deep below the surface.
In January and February, we started seeing these consistent 90th percentile, 95 percentile record-breaking temperatures that were occurring along the coast.
Scientists say this heat wave is raising alarms because the coastal ocean has remained warm without an El Niño at the equator. Scientists say a separate heat wave is forming hundreds of miles off the Pacific coast. That one is part of a pattern of the last decade.
Anywhere from March to May, they start in that same general area, and then they just slowly get bigger and bigger and bigger, and eventually reach the coast.
Andrew Leising is with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. He's monitoring whether the two marine heat waves will merge in the late summer or fall.
And then the question will be, well, we're going to roll right into an El Nino on top of that, which will keep the water warm in the coastal region again. So if that happens by next year, this time, we'll probably see a lot more impacts, because at that point, the animals, especially in California, will have been exposed to this heat for not just a month or two, but almost a whole year.
NOAA's El Niño forecast, published this week, shows a 61% chance the weather system will form by July. Tammy Murga, KPBS News.